Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 30th through January 13th. For December 30th through January 3rd, we see very little change in circulation occurring. We still have our deep positive height anomalies south of the Aleutians and also not as strong across Greenland. We go through the various models and days. And we have a trough here in the west, and we still have our ridge here over the Gulf of Mexico into the Caribbean with above normal heights, and a west-southwest flow in the east. So, a change in the flow will occur later, late this week, as a ridge builds further to the west. And we're looking at here Friday, this is New Year's Eve. And then this ridge kind of goes off to the west over the Northeast Pacific and leading to a deep trough over the Northeast Pacific. Let me see if I can get there. And a renewed moisture feed will be into the northwest. And then we'll have several systems moving within this flow. Here comes the first one in here with heavy mountain snows and heavy rain. And several fronts will move through the east, causing widespread areas of precipitation. So we'll look at that here. We see we have, here's the first system. Then it moves into the east. Now, the GFS, this is GFS, is a cold side solution, bringing a wintry mix here across most of the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast, and rain further down to the south, heavy rainfall. And then here comes the next one. A second system might come in and spreading snow further to the east. I thought I saw a low pressure system here. Looks like it's trying to develop. But there'll be another system here moving across the southeast lower mid-Atlantic and spreading snow up to the north. So, I hear a helicopter. I'm sorry. Friday night through the weekend, a developing low will spread broad area precipitation into the plains, especially into the east. We just saw that here. And the best potential for locally heavy rain will be along and ahead of the cold front across the south central Mississippi, Ohio valleys, Tennessee valleys, and the southern Appalachians. And I told you it'll be wintry mix to the north. Some wintry precipitation, heavy mountain snow is forecast for the northwest, the northern Rockies on Thursday ahead of Pacific front. So I'll back it up here. It'll be on Thursday. You can see the heavy snow and wintry. Maybe there'll be a mix further to the south, and then the system moves in. And we will have a closed low off the Southern California coast, and that should send moisture into the southwest four corners Friday and into the weekend. Okay, looking at the flow for January 4th to the 8th. Still don't see much of a change. We still have our positive height anomalies here, and that is strong positive height anomalies here, but here's the center. And we will have a trough here in the west, nearly zone of flow across the east central states. So I'm forecasting for this period below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast for this region here, with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. Now we're going to look ahead. This is getting into mid-January, January 9th to the 13th. And we still don't see much of a change overall in the circulation. We still have a ridge here over Alaska. Here's our trough here. nearly zone of flow with above normal heights across a large portion of the country, keeping the cold air locked further to the north. And still waiting for the stratospheric warming to take place, which is, this could all change by tomorrow. And we'll see how that goes. And we'll look at the rest of the models. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for a little change in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 30th through January 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.